Okay, so these are the laptops that he gave me today. Just 3 of them so far, but these are the ones that he brought. I don't have any chargers for them, so I don't know. Maybe I can get a universal one or something. Seem pretty good. I mean, you can tell they're old just by looking at them. But I don't know. Maybe I can just use one as a second monitor or something. I don't know. Like I said, I don't have a charger for them. Maybe a universal charger will work. I'll have to look into that and go from there. But these are the ones that were brought. Take them apart, I guess, and look at them, see what happens. If I can get them charged up, go from there and see what happens. I'll have to do some research on them, see if they're worth upgrading, if they can be upgraded, and go from there.